Here 640 upon 27 we got. Now see that 640 divided by 27. Okay, so what we got and how we are writing in mixed fraction. I told you now, whenever we will have the greater numerator, what we will do? We will write the question into mixed fraction. Okay, in case of greater numerator only. Some children are doing in a smaller numerator case also. No. Now just see, it will be quotient. What comes quotient? Then remainder divided by divisor. So what is quotient? 23. Remainder is 19 or divisor is 27. So this will be your answer. So in this way I taught you maximum all types of question. So rest of the part of this question, G part also, which part we have done? First one, and one G part also I am doing, so that you will not have any doubt in these kind of problems. See that now G part, 11 2 upon 5 by 2. Okay, so again this is mixed fraction, change it into improper fraction. 11 5 to 55 plus 2 57 upon 5 multiplied by 2. There is nothing in denominator, so you can write in this case 1. Okay, so now write that 57 into 2 upon 5 into 1. So 57 2 ja 7 2 ja 14, 4 1 carry, 5 2 ja 10 or 1 11, 114 upon 5. Again you see that numerator is greater than denominator. So again we will write this one in mixed fraction. So what you will do? I am dividing it, 114 divided by 5. Okay, 5 2 ja 10, 1. Then bring down this 4, 5 2 ja 10. In the same way apply this rule. Quotient, what is quotient? 22. Then remainder will come in numerator. So 4 upon divisor, that is 5. This will be your answer. So children, in this way rest of the part of this question, multiplication, you will perform yourself. Now I am proceeding to the next question, that is divide. Now question number 2a part, divide. 6 upon 7 by 4 upon 7. Divide means 6 upon 7 will be divided by 4 upon 7. Okay, this divide sign, first step you will change it multiplication. Okay, multiply, and 6 upon 7 will remain as, multiply by reciprocal of 4 upon 7. Everybody knows what is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of any number is always equal to the, means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. See that 6 upon 7 multiplied by, means this 7 will go on the top, 7 upon this 4 will come down. Only in case of beta division, again I am repeating, only in case of division sign converted. In case of rational numbers and fractions both, in earlier classes also you have learned. Okay, in case of division sign converted into sign, or first fractions or first rational numbers, first fraction, here we are learning fraction. So first number remains same, and after division sign whatever number is there, okay, fraction is there, what you will do? You will take the reciprocal of that fraction. So it will become 7 upon 4. Now simple multiplication as you were doing previously. It will be 6 into 7 upon 7 into 4. 7 and 7 will become cancelled. So it will come 6 upon 4. Now both the numbers having 2 as a common factor. So 2 3 ja or 2 2 ja. What will be your answer? 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. It's so simple. Again see that reciprocal always equal to the, in reciprocal I am writing here for the important note for you. Okay, note, reciprocal of any fraction in reciprocal reciprocal of any fraction, okay, it converts to opposite of that fraction. For example, make it important note in your copy before this question. For example, okay, reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1. Reciprocal of 8/9 is 9/8. Okay, in the rest way, now everybody of you can understand the reciprocal. Now we are moving to the next question. One by one each kind of questions I am doing. Okay, suppose I am taking E part now. E part. Till E part you will perform yourself. 3/2, 3/4 into 4. First of all, what you will do? Make this, in which number? Mixed fraction is there, so convert into improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11/4 into 4. 3 by means what you will do? Divide. Okay, so 4 and 4 will become cancel. Just so simple. 3 here, divide means upon 4. This will be your answer. This will be your 3/4. Or we can write it as also in fraction form we are doing. Write that it means it is 3/1. Okay, so 3/1 divided means into 11/1. So take reciprocal of this one. What you will do? Take reciprocal of 11. Otherwise the children will confuse. That's why I am doing in detailed form. So it will be 3/1 into 1/11. So what it will come? 3 into 1/1 into 11. So it will come 3 1 ja 3 or 11 1 ja 1. So it will be your answer 3/11. Okay. One more part that is of another pattern. I am going to do that also. That is H part. That is H part I am doing. Okay. So see that what is H part? H part is saying that 8/9 divided by, I am writing now directly the question, 1 2/3. 1 2/3. First step will be to change in mixed fraction. Okay. So 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 8 17. 17/9 divided by 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5/3. Now in divide sign will be converted into sign. First fraction will remain as same 17/9 and reciprocal of 5/3. Reciprocal of 5/3. So take 17/9 multiplied by, it will be 3/5. Now no need to multiply directly. Try to make them cancel if there is any possibility. 9 into 5. You can see that why I am not multiplying, because 3 and 9 both can be cancelled. 3 1 the 3. 3 3 ja 9. Now further cancellation is not possible. So 17 into 1/3 into 5. Okay. So it will be 17/15. Again numerator is greater than denominator. So in mixed fraction they can be written. If I will divide 15 to 17, how many time it will go? 1 time. Then 17 minus 15 will be 2. Remainder will be 2 and 15. This will be your answer. Or otherwise you can do the division in a separate column, in your rough column, and then you can write as I was writing previously, the converting the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Now the children will do the rest of the part of this question number 1 and 2 yourself. Okay. Then in the next part of our video, we are proceeding to the question number 3rd one.